Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I've got a fascinating story about how Bollywood star Sushmita Sen changed adoption laws in India. Yes, you heard that right. This is a tale of determination, love, and breaking barriers. Now, if you're into adoption laws, you might know that traditionally in India, you couldn't adopt two children of the same gender. This was a significant hurdle for many prospective parents. That means if you already had a daughter, you couldn't legally adopt another. This restriction was rooted in outdated societal norms. But guess what? Sushmita Sen managed to adopt not one, but two daughters. Her journey is nothing short of inspiring. How did she do it? Let's dive in and find out. It's a story of perseverance and challenging the status quo. Back in 2000, Sushmita Sen broke the mold by adopting her first daughter, Renee. This was a groundbreaking move, especially for a single woman in India. She became an inspiration for single women all over India. Her decision showed that love and care are not bound by marital status. But the journey didn't stop there. Sushmita's story was far from over. A decade later, she wanted to adopt again. Her heart was set on expanding her family. And this is where things got tricky. The legal landscape was not in her favor. Indian laws, specifically the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, HAMA, of 1956, were quite clear. You couldn't adopt a second child of the same gender if you already had one. This law was a significant barrier. So why did it take Sushmita Sen 10 years to adopt her second daughter, Alisa? The answer lies in her relentless fight against the system. Because she had to fight for it, that's why. She wasn't going to let outdated laws stand in her way. Sushmita went to court to challenge the existing laws. Her case was a beacon of hope for many. Unfortunately, in 2009, there was a landmark ruling by the Bombay High Court. This ruling was a turning point. This ruling in the case of Pale versus Indian adoption allowed Hindus to adopt two children of the same sex, giving priority to the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, Act 2000 over HAMA. It was a monumental decision. This was a game changer. It opened up new possibilities for many families. The Juvenile Justice Act of 2000 aimed to better protect and care for children in need of adoption. It was a progressive step forward. It recognized that the welfare of the child is paramount and should not be stifled by outdated laws. This was a significant shift in perspective. This ruling opened doors for many families and single parents like Sushmita Sen, who wanted to give a loving home to more than one child of the same gender. It was a victory for love and compassion. So did Sushmita Sen change Indian adoption laws? The impact of her actions is undeniable. In a way, yes. Her relentless effort and the high-profile attention she brought to the cause certainly played a role in this legal evolution. She was a catalyst for change. Her relentless effort and the high-profile attention she brought to the cause certainly played a role in this legal evolution. Her story is a testament to what one person can achieve. Thanks to her, many more children have found loving homes, irrespective of their gender. Her legacy continues to inspire. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this story as inspiring as I did.